This is traxxas TRX 4M crawlers. This is a Land Rover and 4 Bronco. Are they any different? They got the same chassis, driveline, everything. No, not really. This one got speed. We got probably get faster so we can jump. This is weighted motors. Today we're doing something different from what we usually do. So my cameraman put this one together. Yeah. I what will make that we take a few seconds and tell them what you did to this one. How it was.
Can I get the car? We started with basically removing the body folder and like removing the lights here, and then I basically just took the gearbox out, this whole thing, opened it and removed all gears, put the new gears in, and then just threw it together.
How hard was it on a scale from 1 to 10?
It was, if you know what you're doing, it is not hard. For a beginner that never done anything to an RC, it is kind of difficult. So I say a 5.
Okay.
2, if you have never done anything on an RC before, like to put the gears back, get the motor out, change the pinion on the motor, it's a lot of things to do.
So I think let's go out and test this.
Yep.
Right.
Because mine is much slower.
So we're out there, we're gonna test this one and wait. Look at how fast it is.
Compare it to this one. Much slower. Here comes the race. Drag race? Oh. Let's just... Where are we going to race? Here. Let's just make a... Let's see how big the difference is. Ready? Steady? Go! Oh my god.
Move him.
Look at it! Race back! Come on! I'm right across the line before you. I will wait for you. I'm kind. Okay. The Bronco is fast. Much faster than the Start.
All these are very cheap.
Yeah, what do you have, like $8 something? No, $7 something. 6.
Or, yeah, 6. 7.
$7 for
9 was cheaper. But that's in Sweden.
So you don't know how it is somewhere else.
They're called traxxas high speed, or traxxas speed gears. So let's just roll the video and play around here a little bit.
I'm just gonna put the camera back here and we'll race out in the gravel. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing out there. There we go. Let's have some fun.
You can work so much better on it. It is a little smoother.
Yeah. Demolition derby time. I'll smack your car. What are you doing? Do you read my crawler track? Here?
No, not with the RC gear.
I could do it. I think it's a bit too wet for this kind of stuff.
I think it's time to wrap this video, but as you see, it's just faster. It's not a basher, but It's faster than a stock
It's a
car.
fast car.
Yeah, for a really cheap price. Oh, no, but, yeah.